but safety first. Hello and welcome back to another video on Cars Enthusiast channel. I'm Robert, and today I'm gonna speak about a small but annoying issue that I had with my car, my Volvo T5, since I got it, and that will be a noise from the inside of the walls. Whoa. Spooky mystery. Whee! Ever since I bought my first love here in the UK, my Volvo C70 T5, it was quite in a bad shape. The guy that I bought it from said he deleted the muffler, and I think that was the only good thing about it at that time. That was the sound. He welded a straight pipe, iron pipe, which in time it got very rusted and it needs to be changed, but I will do that in another video. The annoying sound that I'm talking about is this. Let me show you what it's in here. Right, so apparently this window, for a while now, every time I was pressing, the gas pedal harder than usual, the car was taking off, and something in the door was making a noise like some sand or something that goes from the head of front end of the door to the back, something like is in there. So I decided to check it out, but safety first. You have to remove some pop-out pins like these. 6 of them would be around the frame, like you see here. One there and goes, so you must have 6 of them, which I don't. I only have 5. And then you have to pop up this thing over here from the bottom. Oh, works even like that. And then you have a Torx screw in there. Coffee break. Don't forget, you have to take the interior cover off side mirror like that. And now all you have to do is pull up a bit, so you can lift it up from from the bottom here. Lift it up a bit and pull it away from the car, but I can't show you because I can't do it with only one hand. You must wiggle it, shake it, and then pull it, and be careful not to pull too hard and go too far from the door, because as you can see, you have connectors here for the speakers, the control panel of the door, see there, for windows and everything. So just be careful, don't pull too hard. Just have to remove this piece of trim. To undo these connectors is quite simple, but you must be careful. For example, for this one here, you have a pin behind it, like there it is. You just press it and then pull it out. Well, came out with one hand, but normally hold this part with one hand and pull with the other. It will be very simple. For this other one, you just have to put a screw in there like that, and you must pull away, but be careful because it has 2 sides, so I have to press them outwards here on both at the same time, you see, and then So it's quite difficult to do that, filming and doing it at the same time. So with one hand just pry those two bits out, and then with the other hand just pull it away.
Few inches later.
So finally, I didn't want to undo these connectors. I just decided to put the door panel like that. It's quite safe. It doesn't pull the cables or anything, so it's safe. So this is what was making this bad noise. This window was smashed at some point. To end this video, I decided to ask everyone that is watching to let me know if you liked it by pressing the button, and share it with your friends on all social media platforms so I can get more views. And if not, maybe it's easier for you just to subscribe, you know, to hit that notification bell for you to get any videos that I'm uploading as soon as they come. So leave a like, a share, or unsubscribe, whatever suits you better. See you in the next video. Bye.